Hey everybody, Happy New Year. So we're just continuing on the 60. We just wiped off the dash. It's in beautiful condition. Thank God, because those are not easy to replace. So I'm just going to take my steel wool that I always talk about, and I'm just going to hit this steering wheel because it should all come out really nicely. This stuff does wonders. I highly recommend if you're into classic cars using it. It does not scratch, but yet it gets off all kinds of old gunk that's been on there for years. And it just makes everything really shiny.